भाई ये बीपीएससी का जीएस वन लाइनर है और इसमें जो जो सामने दिख रहा है मैं बस वही पढ़ने वाला हूँ। बाइलिंगुअल है तो मैं सिर्फ इंग्लिश वाला ही पढ़ने वाला हूँ, ठीक है। तो बस पढ़ने वाला हूँ, मैं खुद भी पढ़ूंगा, आपको देखना है देखिए, नहीं तो कोई बात नहीं। तो भाई एशियंट हिस्ट्री से शुरुआत करते हैं। आज मिडीवल तक कंप्लीट कर देंगे भाई, इसमें ज़्यादा है ही नहीं। इसमें सिर्फ वही चीज़ें पूछी गई है या वही चीज़ें इसमें बताई गई है जो ज़्यादा बार पूछा गया है। मैंने इससे चेक किया है। तो भाई इसमें यह है कि बस तुम्हारा थोड़ा बहुत रिवीजन होगा, लेकिन जो तुमने रियल में पढ़ा होगा वही चीज़ काम करेगा, ठीक है। तो देख लेते हैं, ठीक है। एंशियंट हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया, स्टोन एज एंड इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन। द फर्स्ट human fossil was found in the river of valley of India, Narmada Valley. The earliest evidence of the animal domestication and agriculture in India has come from the Meghad. This period is also known as Chalcolithic Age, Copper Age. Indus civilization existed in Proto-historic Age. Colors that commonly used in the Harappan poetry is red. The Harappan city where furrows of plugged field has been found in a Kalibanga. Among Harappan sites of the Lothal, Davarkot, Kalibanga, Rakhigarh site that is in Lothal. Among Alexandria, Lothal, Mahasthangarh, and Nagapatinam, and Harappa port is Lothal. क्या है भाई देख लो। द मोस्ट सिग्निफिकेंट फीचर ऑफ द इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन इज बर्न्ट ब्रिक बिल्डिंग्स, आर्ट एंड आर्किटेक्चर। टेराकोटा ऑफ प्लग वॉज फाउंड फ्रॉम दिस हड़प्पा साइट, बनावली, कालीबंगा। अमंग बुल, हॉर्स, एलिफेंट द एनिमल विच वॉज नॉट नोन टू द पीपल ऑफ इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन। मतलब ये सारे के सारे जानवरों को वो जानते थे, ठीक है। ही वॉज नॉट एसोसिएटेड विद द excavation of Harappan and Mohenjo-daro. V. Smith. Neolithic site and places: Utnur, Telangana; Chirand, Bihar; Gufkaral, Kashmir; Piyampalli, Tamil Nadu. Bhimbetka is situated in Raisen in MP. According to the report of the IIT Kharagpur study group, continues a low rainfall for how many years was the cause of the fall of the Indus Valley Civilization? 900 years. In ancient time, the area to the south of the Ganga was known as Magad. अब वैदिक एज का देखते हैं। The ninth mandala of the Rig Veda is devoted wholly to Soma, the god who is named after the drink. Bughos Koi is important because inscriptions were found which mentioned the names of the Vedic god and goddess. Famous battle of 10 King was fought on the bank of the river Purushini. Gayatri Mantra is found in a Rig Veda, in which phase the concept of untouchability was put clearly. Dharma Shastra phase. The use of iron began in the Indian subcontinent around 3000 years ago. Satyamev Jayate has been taken from Mundaka Upanishad. Mahatma Buddha's Mahaparinirvan took place in Kushinagar. Who had attained the enlightenment in Bodh Gaya? Gautam Buddha. At which place did Mahatma Buddha gave his first Dharma Chakra Parivartana? Sarnath. Gautam Buddha gave his first sermon at Sarnath. The president of the first Buddhism council was Mahakashyapa. Where was the first Buddhism council convened? Rajgira. After the Mahaparinirvana of Lord Buddha, the first Buddhist council was held at Rajgir. The Buddhist council during the regime of Kanishk was held at Kashmir. Among the Ashoka, Ajatashatru, Kanishk and Kalashoka, the ruler who convened the fourth Buddhism council was Kanishk. Where was the third Buddhism council held? Patliputra. In Indian art, the construction of stupa, chaitya and vihara is related to Buddhism. Four important events of the Buddha's life and thereby related four places are mentioned below: birth, Lumbini; enlightenment, Bodh Gaya; first preaching, Sarnath; death, Kushinagar. Gautam Buddha was born in Lumbini. Mahabodhi temple has been built at Bodh Gaya where Gautam Buddha received enlightenment. The Bodhi Vriksha in Bodh Gaya belongs to which generation of its family? Fifth. Tripitaka as the sacred book of Buddhism. Where is the highest stupa in the world? Vishwa Shanti Stup located in Bihar, Rajgir. Gautam Buddha was elevated to the position of the god during the period of Kanishk. Nalanda University was founded during the dynasty of Gupta. The founder of the Nalanda University was Kumar Gupta. Nalanda University was famous in the world for Buddhism religious philosophy. The Vikramshila University was established by Dharmpal. The following statement regarding the Vikramshila University in the Bihar are incorrect. कौन सा इनकरेक्ट है? वैसे दोनों करेक्ट है, ठीक है. इट वॉज लोकेटेड इन द प्रेजेंट डे ऑफ बांका डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ बिहार एंड इट वॉज स्टेब्लिश्ड बाय द किंग गोपाला फर्स्ट ऑफ द पाल डायनेस्टी, ठीक है. टिल द एंड ऑफ द 12th सेंचुरी नालंदा महावीरा लॉस्ट इट ग्लोरी स्टे. क्योंकि देखो यहाँ ना बीच में क्योंकि बिकॉज लगा लिया करो. क्योंकि स्टेट प्रोटेक्शन सीज टू बी अवेलेबल टू महावीरा. बोथ आर ट्रू एंड आर इज द करेक्ट एक्सप्लेनेशन ऑफ इट, ठीक है. नव नालंदा महावीर इज़ फेमस फॉर पाली रिसर्च सेंटर. नव नालंदा महावीर इज़ फेमस फॉर पाली रिसर्च सेंटर. द पेंटिंग ऑफ बोधिसत्व Padmapani is located at Ajanta. This is not a common between Buddhism and Jainism, self mortification. अब जैनिज्म देखते हैं. वेयर वॉज महावीरा स्वामी बॉर्न? कुंडलग्राम. द साल्वेशन प्लेस ऑफ महावीरा जी द ऑरिजिनेटर ऑफ जैन रिलीजन इज लोकेटेड एट पावापुरी. महावीरा जैन ब्रीथ हिज लास्ट एट पावापुरी. Place where Mahavir attained the enlightenment is Kavilya Jambhigram. Kavilya Jambhigram. Three Ratnas of three jewels is right knowledge, right faith, right action are related to Jainism. Among 12 Angs, 12 Upangs, 14 Purans and 14 Uprava. The earliest holy book of Jain is 14 Puravs. ठीक है. इन सब में से कौन सा है अर्लीस्ट हॉली बुक ऑफ जैनिज्म? वो 14 पूर्व से, ठीक है. द फर्स्ट डिसिपल ऑफ लॉर्ड महावीरा वाज जमाली. फर्स्ट डिसिपल ऑफ लॉर्ड महावीरा वाज जमाली. आजीविका सेट वाज फाउंडेड बाय महाकली घोषला एंड हु यूज द केव ऑफ बार्बर एज देयर शेल्टर हाउस. आजीविकाज हु कंट्रीब्यूटेड द मोस्ट इन द डेवलपमेंट ऑफ भागवता सेक्ट गुप्ता. मैं पहले ही बोल रहा हूँ जो इस बुक में लिखा हुआ है मैं तुम्हें बस वही बता रहा हूँ, ठीक है. 6th century of BC and political condition among the चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य, Ashoka the Great, चंद्रगुप्त, विक्रमादित्य and Kanishk Patliputra was made capital of his empire for the first time. चंद्रगुप्त मौर्य. Patliputra was founded by Ajatashatru. By which ruler Patliputra was chosen as the capital for the first time? उदयन. देखो यहाँ पे चंद्रगुप्त इसलिए कि क्योंकि ये इन सब में से पूछा है. वैसे फर्स्ट किया था उद्यान ने. द सिटी सर्व्ड एज द कैपिटल ऑफ द एंशिएंट किंगडम ऑफ मगध ड्यूरिंग द अर्ली वैदिक पीरियड. राजगिरा सेंचुरी इन विच द फर्स्ट मगध एम्पायर रेज्ड. 6th century BC. 6th century BC में मगध अंपायर उठा था. बाय वूम द फर्स्ट रिपब्लिक ऑफ द वर्ल्ड हैज़ बीन स्टेब्लिश्ड इन वैशाली. और तुमको ये पता होना चाहिए कि वैशाली फर्स्ट रिपब्लिक स्टेट था और किसके द्वारा किया गया था, ठीक है, लिच्छावी के द्वारा. फर्स्ट रिपब्लिकन सिस्टम ऑफ द वर्ल्ड ड्यूरिंग 6th century BC वॉज लोकेटेड इन अ वैशाली. देखो सेम क्वेश्चन पहुंच गया कि नहीं. वैशाली फर्स्ट रिपब्लिकन सिस्टम था. द लिस्ट ऑफ द 16 महाजनपद इज अवेलेबल इन अगंटूर निकाया एंड भागवती सूत्र. 16 महाजनपद है ना वो चंपा ये सब, ठीक है. अंगुटूर निकाय भागवत सूत्र. विच वॉज द कैपिटल ऑफ मगध? राजगिरा. द फर्स्ट कैपिटल ऑफ मगध वॉज ग्रीविराज. करेक्ट मैच. अब ये इनके कैपिटल बता रहे, ठीक है. माल, कुशीनरा, अंगा, चंपा, गांधार, तक्षशिला, वत्सा, कुशाम्बी. Pradyota was the king of Avanti. Pradyota was the king of Avanti. Capital of Anga Jampad was Champa. The name of the dynasty of Ajatashatru was Haryanika. The dynasty which ruled over the Magad after Nand dynasty is Maurya. Who was the physician of Magad ruler Bimbisar? Jivika. The Magad ruler who was the contemporary of Alexander the Great, Dhananand. They helped in the spread of materialistic culture under Maurya trader, Buddhist monks, and administrator. Maurya Empire. The first empire was established by which ruler in India? Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta Maurya figures prominently in the books of Vishakhadat, who recognized Sandrokotos as a Chandragupta Maurya. William Jones ने कहा था, ठीक है. कौटिल्य अर्थशास्त्र इज अ बुक ऑन इकोनॉमिक रिलेशन, प्रिंसिपल एंड प्रैक्टिसेस ऑफ ए स्टेट क्राफ्ट, फॉरेन पॉलिसी, वेल्थ एक्यूमुलेशन, सब पे है, ठीक है. कौटिल्य अर्थशास्त्र डील्स विद द एस्पेक्ट ऑफ पॉलिटिकल पॉलिसीज. चंद्रगुप्ता's palaces situated at Patliputra is mainly made up of woods. The Mauryan ruler who conquered the Deccan was Chandragupta. The inscription which proves Chandragupta's survey over a western India is Junagadh rock inscription or Rudraman. Among the Afghanistan, Bihar, Sri Lanka, Kalinga, the territory which was not the part of Ashoka empire was Sri Lanka. अशोका के उसमें नहीं था. द बुद्धिज्म काउंसिल ड्यूरिंग द रीजन ऑफ अशोका वाज हेल्ड एट पाटलिपुत्र. लैंग्वेज यूज्ड इन द इंस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ अशोका इज प्राकृतिक. द महाजनपद इज नाउ नॉट अ पार्ट ऑफ इंडिया. गांधार वो अफगानिस्तान में है तो वो इंडिया का पार्ट नहीं है. इट वॉज ड्यू टू द अशोका इकोनॉमिक पॉलिसीज मौर्यन एम्पायर डिक्लाइन. दिस स्टेटमेंट वॉज बिलीव्ड बाय रोमालिया थापर. According to the Mahavamsa, Bimbisar sat on the throne at the age of 15 years. Who first deciphered the Brahmini script? James Prinsep. Among Brahmini, Sharda Kharosti and Nandangiri. The script of ancient India, which was written from right to left, Kharosti. The name by which Ashoka is generally referred to his inscription is Priyadarshi. Buddhist council held during the Ashoka is a third. The only pillar on which the Ashoka declared himself the emperor of Magad, Bhabru pillar, in which inscription Kaling victory is mentioned. Ashoka's major rock edict 13 याद रखना. 13 से मेरे को याद हो जाता है, ठीक है. The central point of Ashoka Dhamma is peace and non-violence, religious tolerance. Megasthenes was the ambassador of Seleucus. The division of Mauryan society into 7 classes is particularly mentioned in the Indicas of Megasthenes. 7 याद रखना कि मैगस्थनीज ने 7 क्लासेस में सेपरेट बताए थे, ठीक है. इन हाउ मैनी कैटेगरीज ऑफ डिड मैगस्थनीज डिवाइड द इंडियन सोसाइटी? 7. द डिस्क्रिप्शन ऑफ द एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ पाटलिपुत्र इज अवेलेबल इन इंडिका. द नेम ऑफ मैगस्थनीज बुक इज इंडिका. Who was the author of Indica? Megasthenes. The most famous center of learning during Mauryan period was Takshila. The last Mauryan emperor was Bridharth. By a post-Mauryan period, देखते हैं the inscription that tells about the various achievement of Rudraman. First is Junagadh. According to the rock inscription in Sanskrit composed around 2nd century CE, Sudarshan Lake, an artificial reserve, was repaired by Rudraman. Among the Pushpamitra, Sunga, Meander, Vima, Cadphises, and Gautamiputra Satkarni, the one who first issued the gold coins on a large scale was Bhima Cadphises. Which dynasty ruled over India after the Shung dynasty? Kanva. Which dynasty ruled over the India after the Shung dynasty is Kanva. Art of Gandhar style flourished during the reign of Kushan. Art of Gandhar style flourished during the reign of Kushan. King Khadwal is related to Hathim Gufa inscription. King Khadwal is related to Hathim Gufa inscription. Among the Dashratha, Bridharth, Khadwals, and Hovishka, the king who had heavily leaned towards the Jainism is Kharwals. Kaling's king Kharwal was associated with the Mahameghavana dynasty, Chedi dynasty. Among the Chitises, Pliny, Ptolemy, and Storba, the Peripheros of Aristhaeus was written by none of the above. देखो Peripheros, Erythilius, or a wage around the Athens Sea is a autonomous work from a 1st century CE written by a Greek-speaking merchant. It was translated by William at Scope as the peripherals of the Athens Sea traveled trade in Indian Ocean by merchants of the first century. Gupta and post-Gupta period. Who is called the Napoleon of ancient India? Chandragupta. According to the Chinese sources, Meghavarman, the ruler of Sri Lanka, sent a missionary to the flowing Gupta king for a permission to build a Buddhism temple at Gaya. समुद्रगुप्ता, ठीक है. Which Gupta ruler assumed the throne after the killing his elder brother Chandragupta II? He is also called the Napoleon of India. Samudragupta. The Gupta emperor who defeated the Huns was Skandagupta. The Gupta ruler who defeated the Huns was Skandagupta. The famous Chinese pilgrim Fahen visited India during Chandragupta II. Which one of the following port was in use for the northern Indian trade during the Gupta period? Kalyani, ट्राम्पलिप्ति, बुरुज, कैम्बे. इन सब में से मोर देन अबव होगा. देखो, ट्राम्पली वॉज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पोर्ट ऑफ दिस पीरियड. हाउएवर कल्याण, भरूच एंड कैम्बे etc वर ऑल्सो यूज्ड फॉर नॉर्थ इंडियन ट्रेड. ठीक है. हु अमंग सुश्रुत्र, शौमिला, सुधारका एंड शुआनका इज नोन फॉर हिज वर्क एज अ मेडिसिन ड्यूरिंग द गुप्ता पीरियड के टाइम पे कौन था? इन सब में से कोई न था. अमंग द आर्यभट्टा, भास्कराचार्य, ब्रह्मगुप्त एंड द ब्रह्महेर, द फर्स्ट हु एक्सप्लेन दैट द रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ ऑन इट्स एक्सिस अकाउंट्स फॉर द डेली राइजिंग एंड सेटिंग ऑफ द सन वाज आर्यभट्टा. ठीक है. द ग्रेजुअल डिक्लाइन ऑफ द टाउन्स वाज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट फीचर ऑफ विच पीरियड? गुप्ता पीरियड. The ruling dynasty donated maximum villages to temple and Brahmins. Gupta dynasty. The inscription mention widow immolation, Iran pillar inscription, or Bhanugupta. Glass coins were released in a large number during the Gupta period is Satavahana. Glass coins were released in a large number during the Gupta period by Satavahana. The inscription mentioned widow immolation, Iran pillar inscription of Bhanugupta. ठीक है. Famous Allahabad Prasasti was written by Harisen. Gorathgiri, situated in the Barbar Hills range, was won over Kharwels. The land revenue rate in Gupta age was the sixth part of the production. The land revenue rate in the religious book is 1/6. Which type of land was called aprahat, without cultivated forest land? Chinese traveler Sun Yan came into 518 AD. He came to India during the reign of हर्षवर्धन. हेनसोंग हर्षवर्धन के टाइम पे पहुंचा था. Which philosophy of India propounded the atom theory? विशाखादत्त. विशेषिका. Which philosophy of India propounded the atom theory? विशेषिका. ये भी मैं पहली बार पढ़ रहा हूँ. विशेषिका. Who laid the foundation of Vardha dynasty? Pishabhuti. Who has written the Harshcharitra? Manvad. Poet Bana was inhabitant of Prithikutta village in Aurangabad, present Bihar. The Chinese traveler who visited India during the Harshvardhana time, Hensong. During Hensong tour in India, most famous city for the production of cotton clothes was Mathura. Chinese traveler Hensong studied at the University of Nalanda. The famous statement are incorrect. कौन सा इनकरेक्ट है? वैसे दोनों करेक्ट है. ठीक है. फाहियान वॉज अ चाइनीज पिलग्रिम हु विजिटेड इंडिया ड्यूरिंग द रिजीन ऑफ हर्षा. हर्षा के टाइम पे फाहियान नहीं पहुंचा था. हर्षा के टाइम पे हेनसोंग पहुंचा था. हेनसोंग वॉज अ चाइनीज बुद्धिस्ट मोंक हु विजिटेड इंडिया ड्यूरिंग द चंद्रगुप्ता. देखो, ये गलत है. दोनों वो है, अपोजिट है एक दूसरे के. ठीक है. मतलब फाहियान चंद्रगुप्ता के टाइम पे पहुंचा था और हेनसोंग हर्षा के टाइम पे. ठीक है. Nalanda University was destroyed by Muslims. The temple of Devgarh near Jhansi and the sculpture in the temple of Gadhwa near Allahabad are the important remains of Gupta art. South India के क्वेश्चंस देख लेते हैं. चोला, चालुक्य, पल्लव का. ठीक है. Who was the founder of the Chola dynasty? Vijayala. The Chola age was the most famous for village assemblies. Which medieval Indian empire was famous for the elaborated local self-government? Chola. The dynasty The dynasty not mentioned in Sangam literature is Kadamba. Urayur was a famous in Sangram era as an important trade center of cotton, who established trade relation with the Roman Empire. Cheras, the mighty gateway found at the temple of South India, are a Gopuram. The temple situated at Kanchipuram is Ikambareshwar temple. Brideshwar temple in Tanjavur was built by Rajaraja first. Rashtrakoot, Malkhand, correct match. Rashtrakoot, Malkhand, Pandyas, Madurai, Cholas, Tanjavur, होयशाला हेलिब्रिड, ये उनके जगह का नाम है, कहाँ कहाँ थे, ठीक है। चोला, तंजावुर, होयशाला, हेलिब्रिड, मदुरै के कैपिटल से, ठीक है। एशियंट लिटरेचर एंड लिटरेचरर, द राइटर ऑफ मुद्रा राक्षस वॉज विशाखादत्त. Kumar Sambhav, an epic poem was composed by Kalidas. What is the name of Kalhan's book Rajatrangani? Niti Shastra and Nitisra, an early book of poetry, was written by Kamandaka. Kalidas Kumar Sambhav describes the birth of the Puranic character Kartikeya, who wrote the book किरातिरजुन्य भारवी. The author of the Swapna Vasuvdat. The author of the Swapna Vasuvdat is Bhasha. The writer of Arthashastra is Kautilya. Name the source that is silent about the trade routes of ancient India. Sangam Sahitya, correct match. Charak, medicine. Brahmgut, mathematics. Wormhir, astrology. Vishakhadatt, playwright. Pre-medieval period. एपिग्राफिक रिकॉर्ड 1800 से 1200 AD तक है. Epigraphic record inscription suggests that in the ancient India, the ruler of Bihar had contact with Java and Sumatra. The ruler of Suvarnabhumi, who founded a Buddhist monastery at Nalanda and requested the Devpal through his ambassador to grant 5 villages for its maintenance, was Balputra Dev. The author of the Prithviraj Rasu is Chandravidai, in which state Odantpuri Education Center was situated. Bihar, ruler of Bengal, who founded the ancient university called Vikramshila Dharmpal, who founded the Vikramshila University Dharmpal. Which Sultan was reputed to be Akbar of Kashmir? Sultan Jainul Abidin. The founder of the Karnataka dynasty was Nani Dev, who was the last king of Karnataka dynasty, Harishimba. अब मिडाइवल हिस्ट्री देख लेते हैं. Muslim invasion on India. Muhammad Ghori granted first Iqta in India to Qutbuddin Aibak. Muhammad Ghori was defeated by Chalukyas of Gujarat in 1178 AD. Who was the first Muslim conqueror of Bihar? Bakhtiyar Khilji. Nalanda, Bihar was destroyed by Bakhtiyar Khilji. Delhi Sultanate and slave dynasty. Who was the first ruler of the slave dynasty? Qutbuddin Aibak. What is ढाई दिन का झोपड़ा? Mosque. तो Qutub Minar was completed by Iltutmish. The capital of Qutbuddin Aibak was Lahore. The Muslim ruler whose empire was regarded as the part of Dar es Salaam, Iltutmish. Iltutmish appointed his first Subedar in Bihar to Malik Jani. Delhi Sultanate, who is known for adopting the blood and iron policy. Balban. The Persian festival Nowruz was introduced in India by Balban, the first Muslim ruler to formulate the theory of kingship similar to the theory of divine rights of the king was Balban. Who said about the Balban that is his theory of kingship was based on the principle of prestige, power and justice? Ziauddin Barni. Tughril Khan raised a standard of revolt during the reign of Balban. अब खिलजी डायनेस्टी देखते हैं. फर्स्ट रूलर ऑफ खिलजी डायनेस्टी was Jalauddin Khilji, who among army commander of Alauddin Khilji dead fighting against Mongols Jafar Khan. Thus, to Alauddin belongs to the credit of being the first Turkish Sultanate of Delhi to bring the religion under the control of the state and the usher in factors that might make the state secular in a theory. Who wrote these words? A.L. Srivastava. Padmini is associated with Alauddin conquest of Chittor. She was the wife of Rana Ratan Singh. During the Alauddin attack on Chittor, the king was Rana Ratan Singh. The ruler of Devgiri at the time of Alauddin Khilji invasion was Ramchandra Dev. During the reign of which Sultan was the Khalisa land developed on a large scale? Alauddin Khilji. Which Sultan demanded half the crop on the land after measurement as a revenue? Alauddin Khilji. Public distribution system in Sultanate period was started by Alauddin Khilji. Among Iltutmish, Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, who opposed the power of Khalifa? किसी ने भी नहीं. ठीक है. When he attained the kingship, he was a quite independent of a ruler and order of Shariat, for which Sultan Bahmani made this statement. Alauddin Khilji के बारे में ये इन्होंने बोला. तुगलक एंड लोधी डायनेस्टी. यूसुफ शाहचक द लास्ट मुस्लिम रूलर ऑफ द कश्मीर वैली. यूसुफ शाहचक द लास्ट मुस्लिम रूलर ऑफ द कश्मीर वैली who was exiled to Bihar by the Mughal Emperor Akbar was buried in Nalanda. The Sultan who provided employment to the unemployed was Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Among Balban, Alauddin Khilji, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, and the Sultan who had the most number of slaves in his court, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Which Delhi Sultanate built the maximum number of canals? Firoz Shah Tughlaq. During the reign of Firoz Shah Tughlaq, expenses were borne by the peasant for the construction and maintenance of canals. The Venetian traveler who travelled with his wife and reached Vijayanagar Empire, Niccolo di Conti. 1420 में Niccolo di Conti. The dynasty that ruled Delhi Sultanate for the longest time is Tughlaq. The Sultan of Delhi introduced the measures for the improving the quality of Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Dar ul Shafa established by Firoz Shah Tughlaq was a free hospital. Dar ul Shafa. The dynasty that ruled over India after the invasion of Taimur was Sayyid dynasty. Which Sultan founded town where now stand Agra? Sikandar Lodi. विजयनगर अंपायर का देख लेते हैं. द फाउंडर ऑफ विजयनगर अंपायर वॉज हरिहरि बुक्का. आइडेंटिफाई द फर्स्ट रूलर ऑफ विजयनगर हु कैप्चर्ड द गोवा फ्रॉम ब्राह्मण्स. हरिहर फर्स्ट. द किंग ऑफ विजयनगर Kishan Dev Rai fought the Battle of Golconda with Quli Qutub Shah, in which King Rizin, Persian traveller Abu Razak came to India. Vijayanagara. Abu Razak Dev Rai II, greatest ruler of Vijayanagara, Krishna Dev Rai. Which famous war took place in 1565? Talikota War. The chief characteristics of the financial system of Vijayanagara Empire was land revenue. The famous ruler who founded the suburban township of Nagalpuram near the Vijayanagara Empire of his mother, after his mother name Krishna Dev Rai. The remains of Vijayanagara Empire are found in Hampi. Tolkapiyam is associated with second Sangam period. अब दिल्ली सल्तनत का वो एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन देख लेते हैं. दीवान अर्ज डिपार्टमेंट वाज एसोसिएटेड विद डिफेंस. अमंग खर्ज, खुम्स, उशर एंड मुक्ति, वन विच इंडिकेट द टैक्स लिवेड ऑन द लैंड प्रोडक्ट इज खर्ज, उशर एंड मुक्ति. ठीक है. जावत्स वर कंसर्ड विद द स्टेट लॉ. कॉइन टाका, Shashgani and Jithal of Sultan period was made of the following metals: silver and copper. Delhi Sultanate art, architecture and literature. Use of paper started in India in 12th century CE. Prosperity gave rise to conspiracy and rebellion, and poverty granted stability and peace. This was said by the Ziauddin Bardin. Which Sultan built Alai Darwaja? Alauddin Khilji. The famous Buland Darwaja at Fatehpur Sikri forms this gate for Jama Masjid. Southern. The author of Tabakat-e-Nasiri was Minhaj as-Siraj. Tabakat-e-Nasiri, Minhaj as-Siraj. The earliest description of Bakhtiyar Khilji invasion of Bihar is in Tabakat-e-Nasiri. मैं ऐसे याद कर रहा हूँ, बख्तियार खिलजी इन्वेशन ऑफ बिहार तबाकत-ई नसीरी, ठीक है। और इसको लिखा किसने था? मिनहाज उस सिराज ने। टेबलेग्यू ऑफ मोरक्कन ट्रेवलर इब्न बतूता इज नोन एज रियाला, ठीक है। हु वाज द फाउंडर ऑफ बहामनी किंगडम? अलाउद्दीन हसन। ड्यूरिंग द दिल्ली सल्तनत द डेजिग्नेशन मुकादम और चौकीदारी वाज यूज फॉर विलेज हेडमैन। फतोहती आलमगिरी वाज रिटर्न बाय ईश्वर Fatehati Alamgiri was written by Ishwards Nagar. Bhakti and Sufi movement. A common feature to the Bhakti Sant was that they composed their verses in the languages understood by their followers. Among Jalaluddin Khilji, Alauddin Khilji, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq, Muhammad bin Tughlaq, the Sultan who refused an audience by Nizamuddin Aulia was Alauddin Khilji. Sheikh Bahuddin Zakaria belongs to which sect? Sharawardi order. Sheikh Bahuddin Zakaria. Who composed Brahmansa? Malik Muhammad Jayasi. Who composed Brahmansa? Malik Muhammad Jayasi. Nath Panthis, Siddhas and yogis made devotional religion popular in northern India. It is not correctly matched. Shaguma disappeared ideal worship in any of its form, ठीक है। मुगल डायनेस्टी बाबर। अब मुगल पढ़ लेते हैं, मुगल के बाद देखते हैं क्या होता है। द मेन रीजन ऑफ बाबर विक्ट्री इन हिज बैटल फॉर द पानीपत वाज हिज स्किल्ड वॉरफेयर। इन विच लैंग्वेज तुक्कत ए बाबरी रिटर्न? Turkish. Founder of Mughal dynasty in India was Babur. The arrival of Babur into India led to the introduction of cannons in a warfare and establishment of Timur dynasty in the region. Humayun and Sher Shah. As per dates for 4 important battles fought by the Humayun, the name of battles are given by Devara, Chausa, Kannauj and Sirhind. On June 1539, a battle was fought between Sher Shah and Humayun in Chausa. Among the Bahlol Lodi, Sikandar Lodi, Sher Shah Suri and Islam Shah Suri, the ruler who first assumed the title of Hazarat-e-Allah and afterward Sultan was Sher Shah Suri. Humayun invaded Chunar Fort first time in 1532, who was constructed mausoleum for his emperor husband Haji Begum. Where is Sher Shah tomb located? Sasaram. Among the Bahlol Lodi, Sikandar Lodi, Sher Shah Islam who ruled divided their troops into a units of 200, 250 and 500 was Sikandar Shah and Islam Shah Akbar. Who was the commander of Rana Pratap's army in the battle of Haldighat? Hakim Khan. Among the Bahlol Lodi, Sher Shah Akbar and Humayun Muslim ruler who abolished the pilgrims tax? Akbar. Among the Shah Jahan, Jahangir, Akbar, Humayun and Mughal ruler who ruled for a longer period of time? Akbar. In medieval India, why Mansabdari system introduced ensuring clean administration? After uniting India, he wanted to unite the Mid East and Western Asia with him, a very important step towards the establishment of world empire. R.P. Tripathi wrote it about its ruler Mughal India. Akbar. Japti system was introduced by Akbar, who promulgated Din-e-Ilahi. Akbar, the ruler of India when the English East India Company was formed. यहाँ formed है, तो formed अकबर के टाइम पे ये फॉर्म हो गया था, लेकिन जब वो आए थे तब तक जहांगीर हो गया था, ठीक है। Akbar merged Bengal and Bihar in his empire in 1576 AD. In the following battle, the main opponent are not correctly stated. Second battle of Panipat, Tipu Sultan and Marathas. ये गलत है, ठीक है। ये उन्होंने पता नहीं क्या ही सोच के ये बनाया है। Who introduced the Do Aspa and She Aspa system? Jahangir. The Englishman Jahangir रिस्पेक्टेड द टाइटल ऑफ इंग्लिश मैन वॉज हॉकिंस। देखो जब ये आए तो जहांगीर आ चुका था, ठीक है। तो हु इंट्रोड्यूस दो आसपा एंड शी आसपा सिस्टम जहांगीर। द इंग्लिश मैन जहांगीर रिस्पेक्टेड विद द टाइटल ऑफ इंग्लिश मैन was Hawkins. During the time of which Mughal Emperor did Sir Thomas Roe came to India, Jahangir. Mughal painting reached to its zenith under Jahangir. Itmad-ud-Dullah tomb at Agra was built by Nurjan. Pietra Dura is related with the decorating the wall from the floral design made up of a semi-precious stone. Shahjahan and Aurangzeb. What was the root of the dispute between the Shahjahan of Iran and Mughal ruler Kandahar? Who made the Red Fort in Delhi? Shahjahan. Which historian declared the reign of Shahjahan to be a golden era of Mughal period? A.S. Srivastava. Who was the first Muslim ruler who fought against the British? Aurangzeb. The meaning of jihad carried on by Aurangzeb is Dar es Salaam. Mughal administration. In the Mughal administration, Mustasif was an officer in charge of public morals. Madad-e-Maash indicates the Mughal administration revenue free and land granted to learned person. The meaning of word Bantai during a medieval period was system of calculating revenue. In Mughal administration, the chief Qazi was chief justice. The port, which was called the Babul Gate of Makkah during the Mughal period, was Surat. Music, painting and literature. Which Mughal ruler established karkhanas for painting? Akbar. Who did illustrate Dastan-e-Amir Hamza? Abdus Samad Mir Sayyid Ali. Ain-e Akbari was written by Abul Fazl. Dashwat and Bashawan, famous painter, were courtier of Mughal Emperor Akbar. European painting were introduced in the court of Akbar. Tabaqat-e-Akbari, which has been sometimes considered more reliable than Abul Fazl Akbarnama, was written by Nizamuddin Ahmad, who wrote Humayun-nama Gulbadan Begum. He made an offer to Humayun that he would surrender Bihar and pay an annual tribute of 10 lakh dinar if he was allowed to retain Bengal. Sher Khan. N.A. Akbari was written by Abul Fazl, who stated that 5,000 to 20,000 men worked for 40 years to build the place of 40 pillars of Allahabad in Akbar times. William Finch. Sikh sect and Maratha state, ठीक है. Which Sikh guru was born in Patna? Gobind Singh. Where was the capital of Shivaji? Raigad. Who established Ashtapradhan Shivaji? Ashtapradhan was helping in administration of which ruler? Shivaji. Ashtapradhan was a council minister in the Maratha administration. Sharanjami system was related to revenue system of Marathas. Disintegration of the Mughal Empire. The last Mughal Empire to sit on the Mauryan Singhasan. The last Mughal Empire to sit Mauryan Singhasan was Muhammad Shah, the Mughal emperor who was not allowed to enter into Delhi by Wazir Ghaziuddin was Shah Alam II. It was said that Mughal Emperor Bahadur Shah Zafar that his time extended from the Chandni Chowk to Palam, Delhi to Bihar, Peshwa to Bihar. इन सब में नन ऑफ दी अबव है, ठीक है. इट वॉज सेड दैट द तुगलक रूलर नसरुद्दीन मोहम्मद दैट हिज एम्पायर एक्सटेंडेड फ्रॉम चांदनी चौक टू. देखो ये स्टेटमेंट जो बोला गया है ना, ये तुगलक रूलर नसरुद्दीन मोहम्मद दैट हिज एम्पायर फ्रॉम चांदनी चौक टू पालम, ठीक है. मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री ऑफ इंडिया, मतलब कि यहाँ तक हो गया है, तो मॉडर्न हिस्ट्री बाद में करते हैं भाई.